In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Adobe Premiere Pro setup by ensuring your GPU is fully utilized, enhancing your editing performance significantly. Let's dive right into the process so you can enjoy a smoother, more efficient editing experience. To start, it's crucial to make sure your graphics card's drivers are up to date. Whether you're using an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card, having the latest drivers is key to unlocking GPU acceleration. This will not only improve performance during playback, but also speed up render times. Staying updated with your drivers ensures you benefit from the most recent performance improvements and bug fixes provided by the hardware manufacturer. You can typically find these updates on the manufacturer's website, or you might even have software installed on your computer that helps manage these updates. Now, let's enable hardware decoding and encoding, a vital step to ensure Premiere Pro makes the best use of your GPU. For those using Windows, navigate to the Edit menu, then head down to Preferences and choose Media. If you're using a Mac, you'll click on Premiere Pro in the menu bar at the top, select Preferences, and then Media. Within this Media Settings section, you'll want to check the option labeled Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Keep in mind that this change will require you to restart Premiere Pro, so after checking this box, go ahead and click OK, and then restart the application to put this adjustment into effect. Our next step is to set the renderer to GPU acceleration. This setting allows Premiere Pro to use your graphics card's power to render previews and exports, which is a game changer for demanding projects. First, open your project in Premiere Pro. Once your project is open, head to the top menu bar and select File, then drop down to Project Settings and choose General. Here, you'll find a section labeled Video Rendering and Playback, with a drop-down menu for Renderer. You want to select the option that corresponds to your particular setup. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, the option you'll select is Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration, CUDA. Meanwhile, if you're on some AMD or Intel systems, you would choose Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration, OpenCL. For users running Apple Silicon Macs, ensure you select Metal. Each option is specifically optimized for those systems, ensuring maximum efficiency and performance. Once selected, click OK to confirm and apply your settings. With these steps completed, your Adobe Premiere Pro setup is now optimized, making full use of your GPU's capabilities. This should offer you a noticeable improvement in editing fluidity and render speeds. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing.